The Sony Xperia XZ2 Compact runs Android 8.0 Oreo with a custom Sony interface on top. Sony S used to be one of the less invasive UIs, but these days it is quite different from standard Android. Google's interface has a scrolling vertical apps menu. This one uses pages you flick through with left and right swipes. Like previous versions of the Sony UI, you can reskin this one with themes. Quite a lot of these cost money, but a handful are included. Sony has also loaded up the XZ2 Compact with a handful of slightly bloat-like apps. There's a folder's worth of Amazon apps, including Prime Video and Amazon Shopping. Kobo Reader is pre-installed. It has an alternative to the Amazon Kindle store. The average virus protection suite is installed too, and it'll try to upsell you a paid version of the service when you run it. That's just the third-party selection. Sony itself offers Lounge, an app packed with promotional offers, and 2 support apps. Xperia Assist is a help wizard dressed up as a digital assistant, support a more conventional digital manual. There are also Sony Media apps, common to every Sony phone. As the apps menu uses folders, the extent of these additional apps is not too apparent when you actually use the phone. General performance is excellent too. The Sony Xperia XZ2 Compact feels fast and responsive. Only one thing annoys. When you take a photo with the camera, any audio playing seems to stop, and doesn't restart automatically. That's just about the only issue we've encountered.